Hey friends, if you wish to view and clear your personal dictionary in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I'll tell you why this is important. Because you use a lot of words while searching here, okay, and you will use a lot of words otherwise, and it is all stored on your system. So if you have used any inappropriate words which you do not want anyone to know, or you wish to delete your personal dictionary for any other reason, then I will help you. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. Select inking and personal typing personalization. First of all, if you don't want it for the future, then simply turn the switch off. Now click on custom dictionary and click on clear your custom dictionary and click on clear. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.